Speed isn't worth the risk. Say
Gotta go fast. Lightning, let's move. No stopping now. Whoa, a kid. That was too close.
Stopping will delay me by another 2 minutes.
Watch out. Fine, I can ride home.
you chose a drink, lost control, almost lost your life.
Son, your mother is waiting. Your life is more precious than saving 2 minutes. Road rules protect
Time
you.
for a ride.
I understand now.
Whoa, that was close. Good reflexes, rider. Safety first from now on.
A helmet can be the difference between life and death. Just 2 seconds to wear it, a lifetime of protection.
Both safe stance, Rescue.
On a busy road, distractions can be deadly.
Oh no, the light.
Stay focused, stay
A busy
safe.
road can be full of distractions. A driver distracted by texting runs a red light. He nearly hits a pedestrian but brakes just in time. Follow the rules, stay safe on the road. A car ignores the red light, causing chaos and a crash. Respect traffic signals to stay safe. Great weather for a drive, huh? Yeah, perfect day.
Look out.
Are you okay? No, it hurts.
Whoa, go again.
That was too close. Follow the rules, stay safe on the road.
Please, let me drive.
No.
Licensed driver only.
Unlicensed driving is dangerous.
Notice how I keep checking mirrors? Mirror, mirror, mirror. Every 5. Adjust mirrors before starting. Reduce blind spots.
That was close.
Not really. I maintain
Helmet and
safe
seatbelt, safety first. In the rain, slow down, use your wipers. Rain control, reduce speed, use wipers.
A helmet can be the difference between life and death. Just 2 seconds to wear it, a lifetime of protection.
Helmet and seatbelt, always. Mirror check every 5 to 10 seconds. Safe distance, 3-second rule. Respect the speed limit. Safety first. Always buckle up before you start driving. There we go. Now we're ready for the road.